Luke, in our industry, the term turnkey gets thrown around a lot, but in this case, it really is the truth.
Absolutely. This home has absolutely all the upgrades that you're really going to care about. Right? We have a beautiful, gorgeous gourmet kitchen that's been fully renovated with top-tier appliances as well. We have 3 fully renovated bathrooms with curbless shower systems, and we have a gorgeous hand-scraped hardwood floor all throughout.
All that and more on today's episode. So Luke, today we're at our newest listing at 57 Florence Park Road in the beautiful Ardagh Bluffs neighborhood. Why don't you tell us a little bit about this property?
Absolutely. We have a fantastic raised bungalow here for you today. It's got 3 bedrooms and a den and 3 bathrooms and tons of fantastic renovations that we're going to show you inside. But one of my favorite parts is the location here, right? As you mentioned, we're in the Ardagh Bluffs, and this is one of my favorite neighborhoods, and coincidentally, I live here, so I know it very well, right? One of the things people like about the Ardagh Bluffs is going to be, first of all, its proximity. We've got grocery stores, we've got drugstores, we've got restaurants, we've got shops. You got everything you need right nearby and highway access. But on top of that, the Ardagh Bluffs themselves, you've got walking trails for miles, and they go up and down and all kinds of fantastic places for walking my furry friend here, or just about anything else you want to do in nature right here in town.
Let's head inside and take a closer look. Are you looking for a home that's perfect for entertaining? Well, this one checks off all of the boxes. With a generous sized living and dining room, vaulted ceilings, and a great flow, you'll be hosting all of your family gatherings here. But we all know every good party starts and ends in the kitchen, and this kitchen does not disappoint.
That's right, Julie. I absolutely love this kitchen, and the split level floor plan really allows it to overlook that entertaining area, which is one of my favorite features. But the kitchen itself is no slouch either. The current owners have actually moved walls and opened up this space to make it feel larger and thought of absolutely every detail. From the modern blue cabinets, quart countertops, stainless steel farm style sinks, and top tier appliances. One of the things that is so popular these days is to go with under cabinet mounted appliances to really free up those countertops. But sometimes I'm not a huge fan of the under sink mounted islands where you have to open the door and really crouch down to see what's happening, but not this one. Check out this impressive feature. This is a drawer style power slide microwave. Where else are you going to find a feature like that in a home at this price?
The upper level of this home is rounded out by 2 beautifully remodeled bathrooms, a primary suite, an additional bedroom, and a den. But my favorite feature about this upper level is the hand-scraped floors that run seamlessly throughout the whole upper level.
Believe it or not, we are in the lower level or basement of this home, and somehow I'm looking out a waist-high window and still looking down at the street from this level. These backsplit designs give us fantastic light through large, oversized, above-grade windows, and they really take use of that space here as well. We've got fantastic ceiling height, we've got a gas fireplace in this oversized rec room with tons of storage, a 3rd bedroom down here, a 3rd bathroom, and access to the garage without a carpet to be seen anywhere.
Luke, you mentioned just how close we are to the Ardagh Bluffs, but I had no idea how majestic it was and how many miles of trails there are.
Absolutely. I can't believe that we have something, a gem like this, right inside the city limits, let alone a couple of steps out of your front door. How nice is it at the end of the day to come back here and have a walk, just de-stress, all without leaving your own neighborhood.
Absolutely. We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.